Hello everyone, another beautiful day out in Fullerton. We're doing a final walkthrough on a home that the tenant just moved out, and wanted to do a records of the evidence that shows the walkthrough. And here we go. As you know, we noticed the evidence of the entry with the light and minor damages on the wall. And here's some of the layouts. And I don't know if you can see it, but it requires the painting and damages on the wall, but it's still minor. As you walk in, we notice the really dirty carpets here, and I don't know what happened, but we thought that tenant had a subtenant without landlord's consent, and here's the evidence. They have also removed the cloth hanger, and they installed their own organizer here, closet organizer, but we noticed that there's quite a lot of more damages that need to be repaired. And I don't know what they have done, but we noticed a lot of liquid I don't know, splash on the wall, and again minor, and there's some more damages on the wall here, the first floor, but still it's we can definitely go ahead and have that fixed. And we noticed the fan was not being turned on, and the switch is not on right now, but that's the evidence. Shutter looks fine. Okay, and as you walked out, I'm gonna go upstairs. And we also noticed the door damage to metal door damage to the garage. So that's the evidence of damage. If you come up here, we notice some of the floors are damaged as they're moving out, and rail was scratched. Again, wall damages, baseboard damages. Notice the wall damages here as well, and then floor damages, as you can see here. I want to make it very quick. And here's the living room. Again, looks fine the way it is now, just need a lot of cleanings. But we noticed a lot of the floor was scratched, and seems like they were wearing shoes, and a lot of the furniture were moved heavily, and noticed the damages of the floor. Just need to reconditions. But again, just need to do a lot of things to be taken care of, and minor touch-ups and painting is required. And here are the conditions of the living room here. We noticed the missing and damaged covers quite a bit. A lot of nail damages. So they were hanging a lot of stuff, and they were moving, and there were damages on the corners of each walls, as you can see. And here's master bedroom. We noticed the carpet was literally damaged. We were told not to wear shoes, but they were wearing shoes, and this is what's happened. And we noticed a lot of wall damages here, nail, scratches, and I don't know what they did, but they actually opened the wall for somehow. I don't know why. A lot of splashes of liquids. They were maybe having some fun. But this is part of the move-out inspection here. And bathrooms, mixing doorknob, door to the shower. And again, a lot of splashes on the wall. Need to be painted, clean and painted. And again, damages on the wall, And here's some of the stuff that's already here. And they were trying to change the light, maybe, I don't know. But these are just the records of the walkthrough that we do every time a tenant move out, and to make sure everything is good conditions. Again, floor damages. And then again, this is the last bedroom. The carpet is discolored, damaged. Needs to be cleaned well and see if this is recoverable. Here we go. Oh well, pretty decent layout. Just need a lot of works, the minor stuff, but fairly good. And this is completion of the move-in inspections. And we do manage quite a lot of properties in Orange County. And if you want us to be taking care of your leases, taking care of your tenants, we're here to assist you. Please reach out to CHARLESLEE at One Group Realty, phone number 714-614-2426. Or you can also reach me at CHARLESLEE at onegrouprealty.com. Thanks for watching. I see you again on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye now.